if you railroad your fabric and you're making, say, for example, curtains, and your curtain length is limited by the width of your fabric, then you will have to concern yourself with. Hello everyone, my name is Valrine. Welcome back to my channel, the place where together we transform our houses into homes with practical and affordable decor and design. We are looking at fabrics again today, guys. We use fabrics to do so much in our homes that it is worth knowing as much as we can so that we can make informed decisions. What we're looking at today are two terms as it relates to or as they relate to fabric in interior decor. Those two terms are up the roll and railroaded. Now, when looking at those two terms, we are going to look at pattern direction or direction. What do you say? Applications and seams. Now, let's start with this roll of fabric. What direction does the pattern run in up the roll? It runs from bottom to top. So it runs up the roll parallel to the self edges of the fabric. So we have our length and we have our width. In railroaded fabric, it's the flip of up the roll. So now our pattern is running across the fabric and our length becomes our width and our width becomes our length. So they are opposite of each other. If you are making curtains or draperies or even Roman blinds, depends on the length of your blind, your best bet is to use your fabric up the roll. And that is because you have the length of fabric that you need to make your curtain or your draperies as long as you need them to be. If you happen upon a fabric with a pattern that you like and you prefer it railroaded, then by all means you can do that. You just have to be prepared that your length will be restricted by the width of your fabric. Therefore, you have to prepare for a horizontal seam on your curtain, unless of course you can get double width fabric, because double width fabric goes up to 120 inches and that may be able to suffice your length, your curtain length, if you want to railroad your fabric. For railroaded fabric, the applications that is excellent for are, for example, upholstering a big sofa or even making a slipcover for a big sofa. And that is because when you railroad the fabric, it gives you this continuous flow across, and so you are hardly likely to have to join panels to do your slipcover or your upholstery, right? So we can say that railroaded fabrics are more ideal for applications that need expansive fabric that go across And we can say that up and down the roll is suited for applications that you will need expansive vertical fabric, right? Now, the next thing is seams. I mentioned a little about seams already. Let's look at seams as it relates to up and down the roll. Now, if you are making curtains with your fabric up the roll, then it means that you do not have to concern yourself with horizontal seams. However, you may need to have vertical seams because you may need to join fabric panels to make one curtain panel with a fullness that will look aesthetically pleasing on your window. On the other hand, if you railroad your fabric and you're making, say, for example, curtains, and your curtain length is limited by the width of your fabric, then you will have to concern yourself with horizontal seams. You won't have to concern yourself with vertical seams. Vertical, up and down here, you won't have to concern yourself with that. And that is because you can go right across the fabric to get the fullness that you need. So for up and down the roll curtains, you got to concern yourself with vertical seams, not horizontal. For railroaded fabric, you have to concern yourself with horizontal seams, not vertical seams. I hope this lesson was helpful. I hope you got value from it. If you did, please give me those thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you won't miss out on any videos. And of course, comments. I like the interaction. Not only do I like the interaction, but you know who else like the interaction too? The algorithms like it. So the more you guys share my content, the more you guys like my content, the more you subscribe, is the more the algorithms will pick up on your actions and react to it. So I hear. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I am so looking forward to connect with you in the next video lesson. You take care now. Thanks for being here.